4:03. We're gonna be dealing with this.
Nobody knows what it feels like to have 4C hair.
Aloe.
When are you gonna take this wig off?
Look at my hair. Pamper. Cute. I played it again too.
Shake your dress, shake your dress, shake your dress.
9:08. Oh, you serious? I'm back again with another video, and today we're gonna be dealing with this. Child, my hair needs a deep wash, a deep cleanse. I need to revive the curls and moisture in my hair. So today's a wash day video. For my pre-poo, I'll be going in with some aloe to detangle this hair because I just know it's knotted up in these braids. The 4C girlies know what I'm talking about, and we just gonna get right into that. First thing first, you want to cut off the ends and then chop it in some big pieces. I'm gonna do the same to this one. The consistency of aloe vera is very slimy, but it's just the perfect slip for your hair. Now you just want to cut off the spikes on the end, just enough to get inside. And you just want to cut the skin off, getting as close to it as possible. Oh, bro. This is slipping and sliding all over the place, bro. Oh, Lord. Look at this. It's so foamy. It smells horrible. I'm going to pour this in here just because I have a feeling I'm not going to use all. I'm going to take out these braids. We have our aloe, we have our extra virgin olive oil, and then we have our Miracle Grow. I like to mix some oils in with the aloe. That noise is my microwave because I'm about to eat something midway. And then we got Sini B and Zainab on. Make sure y'all lock in the Sini B and Zainab per. Oh, this girl is sick. Nah, cause this logo is delusional. I would normally do it in section, but I'm just do it in the sections of the cornrows. You feel me?
Better talk, you know? Better talk. You can't do too much.
Bro. Bro, look at my hair. Honestly, I feel like I didn't need the aloe. My hair tangled really easily this time. Okay, but it's giving though.
Go to the gym. I told you that. What's my tribe? I have 3 tribes.
Bro, no, what's her tribe? City. They guessed Nana Pura. How is she gonna guess this?
You get 1 out of 3.
Go, right?
Okay. There you go.
City, you better get not till we get in one. That was a high question to get her. She's rainbow.
What cause do I care deeply about?
Mental health.
Yeah.
I played it again too. And here the psychology get ready. I guess it's a Cine B day because I just been watching Cine videos. Oh my gosh, it's so crazy because I miss my curls so much. I'm gonna use my little scalp scrubber. My hair feels so like plump and hydrated. This is how it's looking before I cover it up. I really missed my hair. I've been wearing wigs for like 2 months now, just swapping wigs, and I just really, it's like a month and some change, but I just really miss my hair. This is how much that's left. I'm about to get a plastic bag and then wrap my head. I got a scrunchie. Got a plastic bag. I think my light finna die again, I don't know. Then I'm gonna wrap this with my scarf. This just creates more heat so it can just really sink into my hair follicles, marinate, and then put my bonnet on over it. Whew. It's currently 4:03. By 5:03 or 5 o'clock, we're gonna take it out. And this is all the hair that I lost during the whole detangling process. I don't know, any amount of hair is too much for me.
2 hours later.
Okay, so I rinsed out the aloe and I show you guys how my hair looked, but unfortunately something funny happened with my camera and all that footage is MIA. I'll also show you guys how I made my clay to clarify my hair. This clay is used as a shampoo. I put it in here hoping that it would clear my hair out and get all the aloe out. And I did it in sections. So this was the first section, this is the second section, and now I'm gonna go in and do the rest of the sections. I don't know what's going on. It's been a long wash day and I haven't even gotten to the nitty-gritty aspect of this, but the aloe definitely left my hair feeling really nourished, shiny, and moisturized. I'm really hoping that that footage pops up and I can still use it, because it's kind of annoying when you was just sitting here talking to yourself and you don't have no footage.
Take me there, if what you need is just an offering. It's right here, my life is here, I'll be a living sacrifice for you. You're the fire, the refiner. I wanna be consumed, I wanna be alive.
It's giving definition, okay? I'm gonna keep this in for like 30 minutes and then rinse it out. Do y'all see the definition? And now we're no man. Look at the definition. These are the two products that I'll be using today. This is the TGIN Sweet Home Hair Milk, and then I'm going to be using the Twisted Sister Intense Leave-In Conditioner with coconut, avocado, and almond oils.
It's gonna burn for me to say this. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Let it burn. Oh, gotta let it burn. God, you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny. Yeah. No longer blinded, I can see.
The twisties are coming out real nice. This smells amazing. Look at the fluffiness and the bounce. This has so much slip. Like, look at how this slips through the hair. I got both of these products at TJ Maxx. Ooh.
When are you gonna take this wig off?
Be in the video too.
They can't even see you black.
Move, let me be in the video.
That's my baby. I feel like my hair's growing, but I don't feel like my hair's growing. But I want it to be like down my back. That's my baby. You come here to buy the butt. Come here, shake it, shake it. The shrinkage though. Cute. My hair is flourishing. If I can have my hair done by 8 o'clock, that would be phenomenal.
Not around here, partner. Not around here.
Right now it is 7:37. Nobody knows what it feels like to have 4C hair. I don't know why I made this tiny behind twist. And I'm not trying to be up all night. 7:46. The front normally go faster than the back, so let's see if I can finish it quick. Hang time, hang time, hang time. Everything is so demonic. Okay, this is drying and it feels really, really thick. So we're gonna wet it. I'm put a little bit of oil. Oh, that's too much. So our hair looks nice and shiny. Shiny. Some milk. Then our twisted leave-in. Oh, the slip on this is just phenomenal. You want some loving, big body, right? I'm gonna rock my natural hair until November, and so that's about a month. And I'm gonna get my twist. Some twist or some butterfly locks on me. Butterfly locks lasted so long. I think that's the one hairstyle I had for almost 3 months. Look at the definition of these twists though. That's how you know the twist out when it got definition. I need to start finger detangling more because I feel like that's why my hair be coming out, because I hate finger detangling. From using this brush alone, look at all the hair. Look at the definition. This is so cute. Cute. Oh, one more section. We think one more session. And my man, thank you to my man. I said, hey my man, thank you to my man. I said,
8 hours later.
shake your dress, shake your dress, shake your dress. Shake your dress, shake your dress, shake your dress. Okay, so this is how I stretch my hair. I have 2 scrunchies in each part. I was thinking about putting my hooded dryer on so that I can dry this, but it's not dripping wet. So I think I should be good and it should be dry within the morning time. It is currently 9:08. You can't see that, but I should be good. And I missed one of my twists. Yeah, this is the end, but I'm really I'm tired. We started this at 2 something. It's 10. 8 hours on wash day? Are you serious? I'm wrapping my hair. And I'm ready for bed.